Just hand launch it, bro. Don't
No way, dude.
What was that?
I guess it needs a lot more runway. It just doesn't turn enough, so I need to. Right here, we have what I think probably is one of the coolest RC airplanes I've ever featured on this channel. And honestly, it might even be one of the coolest I've ever had. Now, if you've been around for a while, you'll know I love RC airplanes, and I really like these micro ones, mostly because you can carry them wherever you go. They're pretty inexpensive, and they're getting better as time goes on, which makes them just a blast to fly. And well, right here, we have probably the coolest one we have ever seen. The reason I'm saying this one might be the number one is because this is actually an EDF. An EDF, a micro EDF. Links will be in the description if you're interested. It retails for $99 on Amazon. I say it all the time, I've been flying since 2007-ish, and when I started, they did not have planes like this, okay? They did not. Back then, it was just, if you wanted a micro RC airplane, it was a little air hogs that barely flew. They most certainly were not 4-channel EDF, okay? This is incredible. Right off the rip, I can tell it's actually made with EPP foam, which is very bendable, very, very, very durable. It does weigh more than some other foams, which is why you don't see it on larger airplanes. But for something like this, it's absolutely perfect. So here on the side, it says gyro, 2.4, 4-channel, EPP, high capacity lithium battery. I wonder what cell it is, and aerobatic flying. I'm pumped. Let's get this thing open and see what it's all about. Ooh. Yo, seriously? All right, so I got the manual here. Wow, 2-cell batteries. All right, that's cool. A lot of them usually run on 1 cell, and some of them have actually been 3S capable. So it's possible that this is, I don't know. I might have to look more into it. But man, if this thing can run a 3S, it's gonna be an animal in the sky. Very cool. Oh man, I'm loving it already. All right, let's take the rest of this stuff out and see what's up. This looks like a nose protector of some sort. We got a bag with a charger and the landing gear. This looks like some glue. I don't know for what. Oh, here we go. All right, so these are the vertical stabilizers. So that's what the glue is for. All right, okay. 2 of them in here. Our controller looking pretty basic, pretty toyish, ready to run. But hey, I mean, if it works, then it doesn't really matter, does it? I mean, it's always better to have it on your actual transmitter. It would probably fly way better, but I'm not complaining. So it looks like we have A, B, C on here. We got, looks like up, down on the throttle. It goes left and right, but I'm seeing right up here, this button says rudder gear. I'm not sure what rudder gear is. I don't know if it's rudder, but I guess we'll find out. Looks like we got some trims on here as well. Power button. This one's unlabeled, but I'm guessing left and right and left on the rudder, right? Some more trim here, and then of course your other control surfaces, which on this one is actually going to be a mixture, because if you look, wow, it looks like there's only 2 servos on here. So you're gonna have your elevator up and down and your ailerons left and right. And then you basically, I think you'd call that elevons, right? If I'm correct. Wow, this is pretty cool, man. Let's just snap these things on here. Wow, I can't even believe they make a micro EDF. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm out of the loop, but for $100, a little micro EDF. You can see right in there, we got a nice brushless motor. Wow, this thing is really, really cool. So it looks like this slides on. There's like 2 little notches. I'll do that after. And then in here goes your battery, and there's your control board. Yeah, like I said, guys, this stuff did not exist when I started flying, and I tell you what, I wish it did, but better late than never. So let's get the battery charged up, and we're gonna head out to the field and put this thing in the sky and see if it flies as good as it looks, because it looks really good. All right, guys, we're at the flying field with the little F35. This thing looks pretty cool, man. I got the wheels on, I got the stabilizers installed. You can see the gyro's working. I'm not sure what that noise means, but hopefully it means it's gonna be awesome.
Just hand launch it, bro. Don't
No way, dude. I guess it needs a lot more runway. All right, no steering control on the ground whatsoever. It flies great.
High alpha.
I don't know how to change the rates though.
Yeah, it's got like 40 buttons on it.
It doesn't turn enough. I need to figure out how to change the rate. Yeah, I need to figure out how to change the rate.
Is it in safe mode?
It doesn't turn, dude.
It looks pretty sweet. Is it just doing it on its own?
I'm just trying to get it. I guess I'm just gonna have to go straight. It just doesn't turn enough, so I need to... Let's figure out how to make this thing have a little bit more control here. Oh, I see. I see the issue. There we go. I mean, it flies, it just doesn't have a lot of like authority on turning. I don't know how. I guess you just can't floor it while you're in. It's better than it was. Hey, it flies.
Bro, it's so sick.
It is pretty sweet, I'm not gonna lie. You have to cut power to be able to turn it though.
Look at that, dude. Picks up a little tailwind.
Yeah, it won't turn under throttle at all. Oh.
Little tip stall.
Yep. All right, landing's gonna be interesting.
Bro, I'll catch it.
All right, ready? Low pass, low speed, high pass. High speed, low pass.
It's a pass. Yeah, come right down here.
Let's see if we can land this thing. That's a landing.
Hey, it's on the wheels! Perfect landing. Dude, it's so sweet.
I mean, it's an EDF. It flies like an EDF.
Yo, try and bring it like right by us.
I haven't because it turns. Woo! Yeah, a little bit of practice to get used to it.
Bro, it's so sweet.
All right, I'm guessing his batteries.
All right, ready? You want me to catch it?
I'm gonna have to come in a little bit quicker, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't really slow down too well. Oh yeah, low voltage. You have to land under full speed, I think. Like it, dude, VTOL right there, dude. It's truly an F35. Really cool plane, guys. Do not fly it in the wind, all right? And make sure you're in a field because it's really struggling to turn. I don't know how to turn the gyro off. I pushed all the buttons. So yeah, but it flies pretty dang good. So, but yeah, links in the description, guys. I mean, I like it. That was a lot of fun. It's always fun, you know? I definitely enjoyed myself. As long as it's in one piece when it comes down, then it's a good day.
Dude, this thing's sweet.
It isn't bad. I'm not gonna lie.
Sweet.
It's for a little $100 micro, this EDF.
And this is way too windy.
I mean, if it ran a 3S,
Dude,
it is way
3S
too
in it.
I don't know how to turn the gyro off. I don't know. Not that button.
What is...
This is rates. Why is this rate rudder gear? I have no idea, but that's definitely rates. I can't figure out what this one is. And then obviously trim. Move it? Yeah. I don't think you can turn the, probably for good reason.
This thing is sick.
Yeah, I'm happy. I think it's...
I love how
it's worth $100. I mean, again, you have to know how to fly though, guys. That's what's important. You need to know how to fly. Any beginner would not have been able to do what I just did. I'm sorry to say it. Not trying to like put you guys down or anything, but yeah. Flying eagle in the sky. The DEERC F35. Links in description, guys. We'll see you in the next one.